trapping them all in a corner by the wall. They then proceed to start grabbing at the ducklings and roughly trying to pick them up. The mother duck and her babies start to quack and panic. Outraged, I look at entitled mom and see she's still smiling at her brats, as if this is the sweetest thing in the world. So I turn back to the entitled kids and shout, "Don't touch the ducklings, just look at them." Entitled mom turns to me with an angry face and says, "How dare you speak to my kids like that? They aren't doing any harm." I look back to see all the entitled kids still grabbing at the ducklings and distressing the mom. One of the entitled kids is even picking up a baby duckling by its wing. I scream, "Put those ducklings down now, you little jerks!" The mom turns to me with a death stare and starts to say, "If you talk to my babies like that again." At this point, I look at her with an even deadlier stare, and I say in a shaking voice, "That duck is a mother too, and if you don't do something, I will." The mother looks at me like she's gonna argue, but saw that I wasn't kidding. She shouted her brats over and stormed inside. I watched the ducks leave the garden looking panicked. When I got back to my table, my mate said the woman was making a complaint about me to the bar staff. They came over and said the entitled mom told them that I threatened them. I told them her entitled kids were grabbing the ducklings, and I politely asked them to stop. I denied the threat. They asked entitled mom whether her brats had grabbed the ducklings, and she said, "They only wanted to hold them. They wanted her to fly." The bar staff told her and her brats to leave, and when she kicked up a fuss, they said, "Those ducks are locals, lady. Buzz off." Entitled mom yanks off my beanie, revealing my bald head to her entire family. This story includes G, my good friend, entitled mom, my friend entitled, and me. I struggle with this disorder, where you use hair pulling as a coping mechanism when things get stressful in life. At the time this happened, I was almost completely bald because of it. I had patches of wiry, regrowing hair, and some completely bald patches. It was not a pretty sight, and I wore a beanie 24/7 to cover it up. Luckily, I had really supportive and understanding friends who did so much to cheer me up on a daily basis. So my friend G invited me around to her house for dinner one night. I had known her family since primary school, so I was aware of her mom's strict dinner table policies. They were pretty acceptable. No coats, hats, elbows on the table, etc. But I figured my friend had explained my situation to her and she would understand. This was definitely not the case. She was visibly uncomfortable with me wearing the beanie as we sat down to eat. Entitled mom, "Would you mind taking off your hat at the dinner table?" Me, immediately uncomfortable, considering how to explain the situation in front of G's younger brother. G, "Mom, it's okay, just leave it." Entitled mom snaps, "Don't talk back to me like that. This is my dinner table, and I don't allow outdoor clothes during meal times." Me, entitled mom, "I'm really sorry, but I'd prefer to keep it on for personal reasons." Entitled mom gets up. "This is ridiculous. Just take off the hat." When I didn't budge, she grabbed the top of my beanie and started to pull it off. My hands darted to my head, trying to resist. She went to make a comment about me being childish, but promptly shuts up as soon as she revealed my battered, patchy, and bald head. Her mouth kind of hung open for a second or two as the rest of the table stayed silent. G, bless her, was furious with her entitled mom, yanked my precious beanie from her hands, and quickly rushed me away from the table. Nothing much happened after this incident. My friend was really apologetic for her mom, and I was honestly too shocked and embarrassed to know what to say. She discreetly let me out of the house because I wasn't comfortable in that environment anymore. Later on, I know that my mom had a discussion with her. I don't want to get into a whole other story with this, but entitled mom started to exercise her gossipy parent nature around the other parents. In the end, she did give me an apology. It was awkward, but I accepted it. It wasn't Karen, it was me. Just a little background. I cocked my head pretty hard on an F-18 fighter jet back in the Navy. I currently have some mild memory problems. I kind of go into phases where I'm awake, but I can't really tell what I'm doing. It's an odd sensation when I'm tired or didn't eat well. I just go into this phase where I'm physically competent. I can juggle knives and tightrope, but not tell you how many fingers you're holding up or repeat your name when you come into my face. All this being said, it wasn't nearly that bad, which makes me feel terrible. You see, I'm 6 foot 7 inches tall. I wear my hair very short, so the massive jagged scar on my head is very visible. Until people hear me talk, they usually shuffle away from me and hold their purses, kids, or whatever closer, and try to stand near someone else. It's a little offensive, but I can't blame it. Books and covers and all, but I do look like a bad guy. Now, this story is simple. I was running out of food in my fridge, and I just